Oh!
I've been wanting to catch one ever since I seen that episode on River Monsters when I was like a little kid. When it first came out and I knew they were down here. I thought it was crazy. So I'm gonna go out there, try to catch one, guys. Me and my buddy are meeting up. We got our box of worms and we got our rods in the back. And I got a really cool new reel and some rods to show you guys. So
alright YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another episode. And I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick intro to show you guys kind of what's going on in this episode. It's a little bit hard to understand when you're watching it just as stock footage like that, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what we're using today. Right here, this is the new Spartacus Maximus, guys. First time I've gotten a reel like that. It's a bright turquoise blue, and KastKing makes it. It's also rated for salt water. I haven't gotten to use it in salt water yet, but it's supposed to be rated for salt water also. We've got it spooled up with KastPro 40-pound braid. And what's so cool about this braid, and that is the spool that it's on, guys. That's right, it's a biodegradable, hopefully you can see all that. It's a biodegradable spool. And this is the 40-pound, and it's super cheap on Amazon, guys. It's cheaper than normal braid on Amazon, guys. This is 300 yards, I believe it's like 15 bucks or something like that. It's really cheap compared to PowerPro. Do your fish and your fishery and your environment a favor. Buy some KastPro instead of regular braid and help save the environment a little bit. Stay tuned for some fishing, guys.
Oh! Oh my god, dude! Yeah. Get him. That was a snakehead. That they only swim like that, bro.
Yeah, from my experience, I've maybe had like 2 bass in my life tail a bait like that.
No, yeah, that's a snakehead, dude. Casting. Oh, dude, he's right here, bro. You ever seen people catch fish doing this? I've never done it, but I want to. I want to so bad, dude.
First barracuda I caught was like that.
be on the lookout for any little bobbing heads, any little coconut heads. Hey, there we go. That's a little baby, dude.
Fuck it. Broke the ice.
Hell yeah.
He ate the frog.
Ate the frog. The white frog, dude. Ooh, he bites you, bro?
Nah, he almost put the hook in my palm, though. He's fine, bro.
He doesn't need, he can slither the water, dude.
He jumped. He moved it. I was like, I got you, bro.
Dude, I got one right there. Oh my god. Did you see that, bro? That was so crazy, dude. Right into the lily pads, dude. Oh shit, that's a monster, bro. Keep him up out of there, bro. It's a snake, dude. Yeah, he's still on there, dude. He's just covered in, just don't let him pop, bro.
Dude, that's so much weight, bro.
You just need to grab the fish, dude. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh, what? Did you just break, dude? You got more hooks, dude, don't worry. Oh! Dude, that's a solid one. On the frog. There's the first snake of the night. And I just broke my flip-flop. Wow. Bullseye snakehead, and that's what they look like. Hooked him right in the eye. On a Bitters buzzing gator. I'll show you guys that fish. Look at that guy. I don't know if those are parasites or what that is. The spots, that's a nice fish. Oh. Oh. He did me dirty, bro. He bit the swimmer off. Oh my god. Dude. Oh. Did he get it, dude?
Oh, he bit me off.
Oh my, he just cut that. That was a monster, dude.
Dude, can I ever get it right, bro? Like, when I need 50, 60-pound braid or a leader, I don't have it.
Whew. That drag was way too loose, dude. Hooked him right in the eyeball. Pop that Kitech swim bait. Watch him slither in the water, dude. Oh shit, this one might come in. Oh. Oh, he just got bigger. What the hell? Damn, bro. Yeah, as soon as I touched the ground. Hey. That's a bigger one, dude. Pop that hook out, the little trocar. Look at this fish. I'm gonna try to show you guys the teeth on this guy. Dang. You do not want to go and lip a snakehead. This is why you don't want to, guys. Oh, it's a giant! Oh my god! Holy crap, guys. That's a giant snakehead. Look at that one, dude. That is a monster. Had my drag all the way down, 40-pound KastPro. Didn't even break. He was taking drag still. Look at those nasty teeth in there. You don't want to lip these guys. Yeah. I'm gonna let that guy go. Cause you throwing that chartreuse shit, bro.
I just put that on. Because I'm out of everything else.
He was right under that tree, dude.
Alright guys, I want to do special thanks to everyone who just watched this video and has subscribed to me. And if you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you know I've been out there for a long time. So I really appreciate all the support, guys. And remember to check out KastKing. I'm using literally 100% KastKing gear right now, besides the hook and the bait, which I'll tell you about later. This is the KastKing Speed Demon. It's the 7'6". This is the swim bait model rod. It's not really meant for that kind of heavy cover, but it really did a good job with it, and you know, obviously can handle some swinging up like that 4-pound snakehead like it was no problem. So I've got that 40-pound KastPro spooled up on there really nice on the Spartacus Maximus turquoise version, guys. Get yours before they're out of stock. Please make sure to check out all the KastKing products. I'll have all the links in the description to buy everything below. And for the rig, basically I'm not even using a leader, guys. Snakeheads are not picky. We're using a little VMC. Sorry. We're using a little trocar, and it's one of the bait keeper hooks. I'm pretty sure it's like a 3 or 4/0, and you just want to make sure you guys have a really good solid hook that's not going to bend, something that's sharp. And that's just because snakeheads have really, really hard heads. When you set the hook, a lot of times you'll notice that your tip is bent out or your whole hook is bent out. So make sure to do that, guys, and good luck fishing.